Okay, good everyone. So on this video we'll be talking about introduction to TrebEdit and how to navigate our TrebEdit and how to create a folder, create a file, and to go around the application. So the first thing is to open our application, which is TrebEdit. As you can see here, alright, so click on it. So it's going to open a window for you. Alright, so this is the window we have here. As you can see, our menu here. You can see our menu here, right? So you click on your menu. So when you click on it, you have link to code, get source code, workspace, text editor, right? So we'll be talking about the workspace. Workspace talks about the area where you work, where your work can be seen, where you save the work, it will show your workspace. So you click on your workspace. So whatever file you have saved, the folder, whatever it is, it will show in this place. So since you have not created any file or folder, you also will not show anything. So what you do is what? Click on the plus icon. So you can see a new project, new file, import file. So what we are going to do is what? New project talks about a new folder. So let's create a new project. So you see, create a new project, right? So let's click on it. So what will be our project name? Let's click on, let's see, introduction. So let's save it. So our folder name is introduction, this one. So let's click on it. Now I want to save a file, okay, and the file we are starting this class from this class talking about HTML. So we're going to save our file with an HTML name. So let's save it as introduction. So we must put dot HTML. Sorry, click on the plus icon to create a new file. So a new file. So you click on it. So you write introduction dot HTML. So now HTML has an icon which is the less than and greater than, as you can see here. So when you're saving a file in HTML format, it must indicate this sign. So once that's indicated that sign, that means it's an HTML file. So we're saving this as introduction.html and we're saving in the folder introduction. So introduction.html is a file in a folder called introduction. So after that, click on save. So now we have introduction.html in a folder called introduction. So you click on your introduction.html, click on your file, HTML file, click on it. So when you click on it, you have your HTML window like this. So whatever we're going to be doing in HTML, you will do it here from the beginning to the end. So this is how to save your file, save your folder, and how to navigate your TrebEdit. So if you want to save, you click on this icon here to save. Click on this icon here. Then if you want to play, click on this to play. So those are the things you will need right now. So that is the end of the class for now. Thank you.